How to install the lamps in mobile tower lights. Mobile tower lights. Pros. Compact and portable, designed with adjustable rotary mast. Metal halide, LED, locked. Options. Explosion proof. Socket outlet, electric mast. Usage. Outdoors. Temporary lighting, isolated zones, mining, construction, demolition, events, emergency, sports, agricultural, film shooting. First, remove the screw from the junction box. Prepare the 4 lamps for installation in the tower light. The LED floodlights have a capacity of 4 volt at 230 volts. Prepare for bolts and nuts for later use in lamp installation. Also, prepare tools for easy access and convenience. Loosen the lamp screw using a hex wrench to adjust the lamp's position. Secure the lamps in their designated positions using nuts and bolts. Repeat the process for the other hole. Tighten the lamp screw with a hex wrench. The lamp inclination angle will depend on the user's preference. Tighten the nuts securely to ensure the lamps remain stable during operation, as vibrations may occur when the diesel genset starts. Repeat the process for the other side. The lamp installation is complete. Next, we will proceed to wire the lamp connections. The next step in the process is to create wirings for the lamp's connection. Next, we need to route the wires through the cable tray to ensure they are organized and protected. After routing the wires from the cable tray, the next step is to connect them to the terminal block for further connection. Then, put the junction box cover back on. And that's how to install the tower lights LED lamps. While Lumini tower lights are operating. Additionally, Lumini tower lights are designed for an 8-meter manual mast. Thank you for watching, prepared by International Technical Trading Services.